transform your life in 6 months. Imagine waking up every day with a sense of purpose, excitement, and direction. Picture yourself achieving goals you once thought were out of reach. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality you can create. Ever wondered how you can completely transform your life in just 6 months? It's a question many of us ask, especially when we feel like we're stuck in a cycle of monotony. But the truth is, significant change is possible, and it can happen faster than you think. Well, you're in the right place. This journey is about more than just setting goals. It's about creating a roadmap to a better, more fulfilling life. And the best part, you don't have to do it alone. We're here to guide you every step of the way. So many times we feel stuck in a rut, like we're just going through the motions, day in and day out. It can feel like we're living on autopilot with no real sense of progress or achievement. This feeling of stagnation can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be permanent. But what if I told you that you have the power within you to create real, lasting change? It's true. Each of us has untapped potential waiting to be unleashed. By harnessing this power, you can transform your life in ways you never imagined. That's what we're going to explore today. We'll delve into the strategies and mindsets that can help you unlock your potential, from setting clear, actionable goals to developing habits that support your vision. We'll cover it all. Today, we're going to talk about how you can change your future in just 6 months with some simple, actionable steps. These steps are designed to be practical and achievable so you can start seeing results quickly. It's about making small, consistent changes that lead to big transformations. It's all about taking small, consistent actions that add up to big results. Whether it's adopting a new morning routine, making healthier food choices, or dedicating time to personal development, these actions compound over time to create significant change. We'll break it down together step by step so you can start creating the life you've always dreamed of. With clear guidance and a supportive community, you'll find it easier to stay on track and motivated. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Are you ready to unlock your full potential and embrace a brighter future? The path to transformation is within your reach, and it starts with a commitment to yourself. By taking this first step, you're already on your way to a more fulfilling life. Let's dive in and start this journey together. With determination, support, and the right strategies, you can achieve incredible things. So let's get started and make the next 6 months the most transformative period of your life. Define what you want to achieve and write it down. Start by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, also known as SMART goals. For example, instead of saying, I want to get fit, set a goal like, I will run 3 times a week for 30 minutes each session. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks to stay motivated and track your progress. Use tools like planners, vision boards, or goal-setting apps to keep your goals visible and top of mind. Structure your day to incorporate goal-oriented actions. Start by setting a consistent wake-up time and planning your day in advance. Include daily habits like exercise, reading, and healthy eating. Use tools like planners or digital calendars to manage your time effectively. Remember, consistency is key to building a successful routine. Invest in yourself by acquiring knowledge and abilities. Explore various resources like books, online courses, and workshops. Practice consistently and apply what you learn. Engage in group discussions and hands-on projects to deepen your understanding. Surround yourself with supportive and inspiring people. Attend networking events and engage in meaningful conversations. Exchange business cards and follow up with new contacts. Utilize social media platforms like LinkedIn to connect with industry professionals. Join online communities and participate in discussions to expand your network. Keep going even when it gets tough. Persistence is key. Remember, every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Consistency builds habits, and habits shape your success. Stay dedicated and the results will follow. Regularly evaluate your progress and make necessary changes. Remember, transforming your life is a journey, not a race. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. It's important to stay patient and persistent, even when the path seems challenging. Every sunrise brings new opportunities, and every sunset is a reminder of the progress you've made. So keep moving forward with determination and hope. Embrace the process, celebrate your wins, and never be afraid to ask for support when you need it. Surround yourself with people who uplift and encourage you. Remember, it's okay to lean on others during tough times. Your community can be a powerful source of strength and motivation. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small, and cherish the moments of joy and connection with those around you. You are capable of amazing things, so go out there and make them happen. Believe in your potential and trust in your abilities. Every challenge you overcome builds your confidence and resilience. Visualize your success and take bold steps towards your dreams. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Enjoy the process of growth and self-discovery. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to Online with Teresa for more inspiring content. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest videos and resources designed to help you on your journey. Don't miss out on valuable insights and practical advice that can make a real difference in your life. Join our community and be part of a supportive network of like-minded individuals. I'm here to support you every step of the way as you create a life you love. Whether you're seeking guidance, inspiration, or just a friendly voice, know that you are not alone. Together, we can navigate the ups and downs of this journey. Reach out whenever you need a boost or a word of encouragement. Your dreams are within reach, and I'm committed to helping you achieve them. I'd love to hear from you, so please comment below and share your thoughts or any other tips you have for changing your future in 6 months. Your feedback and experiences are invaluable to our community. By sharing your journey, you can inspire and motivate others who are on a similar path. Let's learn from each other and grow together. Your voice matters and your story can make a difference. Let's create a supportive community where we can all lift each other up and achieve our dreams. Together, we can build a network of encouragement and positivity. Let's celebrate our successes and support each other through challenges by fostering a sense of unity and collaboration. We can achieve more than we ever thought possible. Let's make this journey a shared adventure filled with growth, learning, and mutual support.